So we've got our Penn Pursuit III 4000 series reel here, and it's got a faulty a gear slip pretty much. So I'll show you a little clip on how it's not functioning properly. And the cool thing is we don't have to take the whole thing apart. We shouldn't, at least. I think these guys, so I got 3 of these, I only need 1, but you know, for the heck of replacing. Hopefully we just swap this out. That's good. So you get your screwdriver, and I don't even think you'll need this, but I've got it anyways. So let's get And this right here, which was here, should be the problem piece. It's just every time you reel it slips, because these edges might get dull over time, or the teeth. So everything else looks good in there. Let's break one of these out. That's the part number, if you need to order it on Mystic Parts. So once you get the problem piece out, you got your new piece, but you should probably lube it up a little bit. So we've got some oil if we need it, but usually it's going to be real grease. So let's just try that. You can usually just take a Q-tip, but since this is a clean part, we're just going to go straight on. Hopefully that does it. We'll find out though. So with that, it looks like that was the problem and we successfully fixed it. This guy's just gonna go in the trash. There's no use for him. But I hope that helped, and if you guys were having the same problem, that's all it is. $5, $6 for this plus shipping, whatever it is. That's why I got like 3 of them just in case it ever happens again. Other than that, hope that helped, and tight lines.